Tab Mini C is here. Thanks so much to Onyx Boox for sending that out for review. I did really want to get this unboxed live, but unfortunately my streaming software wasn't working, so I will do a live stream as soon as possible to give you my first thoughts on this tablet. But for now, you've got these unboxing vibes. I hope you enjoy it. And if you do need to see a full first thoughts video, then my members asked me to do top-down videos just showing the first testings that I do of tablets. So I've gone ahead and done that there through the join button below the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back with a live stream showing off this tablet and of course a full review.